What's up, people? Welcome to Cooking with Ready Rock the Cook with the kids. That's one of them. There go another and another. You know what I'm talking about? You're gonna be cooking with me tonight. You know what I'm saying? Tonight we're gonna be making. First we're gonna be making lemon pepper chicken wings, and we're gonna be making regular fried chicken wings. I'm gonna show you how I do it, how I get down. You understand? So first, what I do is, I'll be right back, and I'm gonna tell you what I do. Watch this. First, I soak it in water and vinegar. Today I use you can use white vinegar, but I got apple cider vinegar. You know what I'm saying? Soak that real good to get the bacteria and everything off of it. That's what we do. You know what I'm saying? We soak it to get that stuff off. You know what I'm saying? Then what I'm gonna be doing is making my seasoning for my lemon pepper sauce. First we're gonna be using extra virgin olive oil. That means olive oil that's never got it in. So now I'm just playing. Extra virgin olive oil. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna use 2 tablespoons of that.
Cookies taste like butter.
So we're using 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. So I'm gonna prepare it right now. Already got 1 tablespoon in the bowl. Pour it like so. That's 2. Put a little dab. 2 of those, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then after that, we're gonna go over here. Say something to the people right here.
Hi, peoples.
Look at my ice cream. So delicious.
Lemon pepper seasoning salt. Lemon pepper seasoning salt. So you don't have to use no other seasonings because you don't want it to be too salty. So you're gonna take 1 tablespoon, and this is how I do my tablespoon. Let me show you. Show you exactly how much to put in there. Just like that. Just like a mountain. And you just stir it up. Stir it up nice and good. See how that look? Stir that up. Look a little thick. That's all right. And then what I like to do is, this is something that I do. Hand me the lemon juice out. A little green. Put the ice cream back in the freezer. I put a little squirt of lime juice, like this. A little squirt of lime juice. See that? Just a little squirt of lime juice. Give it a little extra zing. You heard what I said? I said zing. Whatever. Mix it all up. So it's gonna look like this. It's gonna look just like that. See that? It's gonna look just like that. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is, hold on 1 second. Right here, over there. So what we're gonna do next is, we're gonna prepare the grease. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm taking the chicken out. Let's look at the chicken real quick. Taking the chicken out, pour this out. Pour all that out. Then I'm gonna rinse it off. Nice warm water. Don't be afraid to get up in there. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get it all off. Okay, so like I said, I'm making fried chicken, regular fried chicken. So I'm gonna make probably I'm gonna make six fried and 6 6 battered fried with flour and 6 lemon pepper. So this how I'm gonna do it. I already got my flour prepared. I already have my flour already prepared. So how I made the flour is I put flour, self-rising flour, seasoning salt to your, just not a lot, just a little bit of seasoning salt and some black pepper. And I just put that together, just dump that in there, see how it look. Just dump it in there, shake it up, shake it on up. Let that sit over there. Then I'm gonna clean the rest of these off. Get these ready. Let that sit right there. See, I'm gonna take some paper towels. Take like 2 paper towels just because I only got a little bit of chicken. Normally I do more. Put the chicken in there. Just like that. You know what I'm saying? Because I want this to be real dry. I want the chicken to be real dry. So that I don't want it to pop that much when it's frying. Let that sit right there. Keep this over here. Excuse me about the dishes. I have to clean up. Oh, look at me. Okay. Then what I'm gonna do is come over here, take my fried grease, Ready Rock Cooking, man. We ghetto, man. So we ghetto. So we use our grease once. We use it again. You know what I'm saying? We keep it in here. I don't know about y'all, but that's what we do. You know what I'm saying? Put that frying grease on. I put it on 8, which is almost high. It's high. That is high. You want to fry it high. You know what I'm saying? But always watch it. You know what I'm saying? Let that go ahead and get warmed up. And that's it. And we'll come right back in a second. So now what we about to do, now what we doing, we waiting for the grease to start, you know what I'm saying, cooking or whatever. So we gonna get that bubbling or whatever. So we waiting on that. You know what I'm saying? But while we waiting on that, what we can do? Nothing. Let's just wait. The grease is doing good. About to put this in there first. This is the regular fried chicken. You just pat it down like this. Put it in. Pat it down like that. Put it in. Now come on. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. And put it in. Now come on. Shake it. Put it in. Put it in. There you go. Now I'm about to do the naked chicken. Like so. You drop that down in there. You gotta watch out because the grease gonna rise a little bit because it's kind of wet. You know what I'm saying? You don't want it to overflow, start a grease fire. Put it on in there. Let that cook. So about good. I really don't know how long. I just wait until I see it's nice and golden. And really I can tell by the regular fried chicken if the other chicken is done. Because it's going either way it's gonna be a golden brown. Bring the fire down a little teeny bit just to make it cook all the way through thoroughly. And I'll be back when it's done to let y'all check it out. chicken wings out. 1 chicken, 2 chicken, 3 chicken, cut that fowl, 4 chickens, 5 chickens, 6 chickens, a crumb of chicken, 7 chickens, 8 chickens, 9 chickens, 10 chickens, 11 chickens, 12 chickens. So now, what we're gonna do is, while the chicken's still hot, we're gonna separate them. Okay, this is a naked chicken. This is a naked chicken. This young here is a naked chicken. Naked. Naked. And a naked. So the rest of these are good. Now, what we're gonna do with those is we're gonna put some seeds, some salt on them. Gotta put some salt on, not on those. On this. Put some salt on them. Just a sprinkle dash of salt on them. And shake it up. You gotta do that while it's hot. You know what I'm saying? Good to go. Then what we're gonna do with this is, look over here. Come on, man. Come on, man. Excuse my son, man. He don't have to be a cameraman.
Then I give up.
What we're gonna do this is pour that on there like that. Like that. Mix it all up. Mix it up. Mix it. Oh, yeah. See that? You know what I'm saying? Now you got yourself some lemon pepper chicken wings. Now what you want to don't tell people about this. You do this and you bring it to a party or whatever. They gonna think you got it from Wingstop, or they gonna think you got it from Buffalo Wild Wings. Shout out to all those companies and organizations. You know what I'm saying? But guess what? You got it from JoJo, and this how I tell you. So good. Hot. But a bit of heaven. Peace. Catch y'all next time. We're gonna be doing Old Bay chicken wings. Stay tuned for that next time. See y'all later. Ready Rock, cooking with ReadyRockjoe. See you later.